What it is, what it do, YouTube. This is your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video. So check it out. All right, so I want to come on here today and partially apologize because I'd be like, hey y'all, you stocks is not a get rich quick scheme and blah 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 blah. Last Friday or yesterday, I should say, a stock by the name of Top Financial Group went crazy, right? I'm gonna just show CashApp graph real quick, and then I'll show the Google graph real quick. So it went basically, it opened at $71 on Cash App. Then it dropped down to 50 something, and then it went all the way up to 236 at 11.25. So it shot up, right? If Let me break this down. Let me show you this one more time. From $50 to $236. That's a lot of money. And well, Corey, answer this for us, please. Why did this stock shoot up so fast, and where did this stock come from, and what is going on? This previous week, the stock was only worth $6 and some change. Six, then it went to 7, 11, 13, 15, 20, and then it shot up. So basically, and you can even see Chinese small cap stock surge and meme like rally. Let's talk about the meme like rally first before we dive too deep into it. So a meme stock, this is today's video, meme stock. A meme stock is exactly what it sounds like. If you've been on Instagram, if you've been on TikTok, if you've been on Facebook, they have memes, they have pictures, they have all this stuff. And 9 times out of 10, when it's a meme, it goes viral. It's very popular on the internet. Oh, did you see that meme? That da 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 da. So in the stock market, you have meme stocks, right? Most people want to say meme stocks. Whatever float your boat. But at the end of the day, this particular stock had no reason to go up. It just went up, right? It went up because of speculation, say Reddit. You know, they say like allegedly. So people were talking about on Reddit. They started going to invest, and then it shot up. Basically, a meme stock is no more than what it really sounds like. It went viral. I call it viral communication. That's what I call it in regards to the stock market, because people started talking about it. People go put their money in. Same thing as a pump and dump. They put all this money into it, boom, boom, boom. And once it hit a certain amount, they retract and take out. As you see, it started to drop back down. It went from 236 all the way down to 108. Now, let's go to Google. Let me refresh this page. Make sure we're straight. All right, so Google got it at open at 69. Went down to 48, went up to 214. That don't even showing Google. Google don't even showing it going to 236. That's funny. And then it started dropping down, and now it's back at $58. So it was a very quick squeeze. So you got 9:45 all the way up to 11. 9, 10, 11. It's not like 2-3 hours, and that was a lot of money that was going around floating. I had somebody in the Discord group, I'm gonna just say V Billions, had invested in around, I think, $16, $17, $18 or whatever. And the next day or the day before, he was like, hey, this stock finna go crazy. And I think he had somebody who had put, I think they did some options on it. But Billions was looking at the chart for the pre-market, and it was showing that it was already going up to $200. But when it opened, it was at $70 or $60 or whatever, and then it still shot back up to the top, which was like, wait a minute, what's going on? So, you know, it was a good game for him, I should say, and in a sense, because he had already invested and kind of got right. But then, you know, a stock like such, you got to be careful. And this is why I come on here today. I'll tell you about meme stocks. So meme stocks can be a good and bad thing. Meme stocks can be a good and bad thing because it can shoot up really fast, and it can also go down really fast. When you talk about, you know, the whole meme stocks thing, it's like, wait a minute, this don't look right. this don't even feel right. It's going up too fast. When is it going to stop? What is it doing? So you got to be, conscious of that. Also, when you are buying into a meme stock, you will experience some slight technical difficulties. This picture was posted in the group, where basically, it was halting the stock itself, meaning you couldn't buy it, you couldn't sell it, because you got so many people trying to buy and sell. The stock market itself is trying to say, hold up, wait, let me take your money. Here you go. Let me take your money. Here you go. So it's a back and forth thing, and they overwhelmed. So they got to slow everything down. So you get, messages like that. When you are invested and you got some money behind it and you're trying to get it out, just because that message pop up, don't stop trying to retract your money. Keep saying, hey, I want to cash out. I want to cash out, especially if you got a good little amount. So that's that. It's just scary because even though it's halting you, the market is still going up and down. So you got to be careful with that as well. All right, so back to my portfolio, 2181, 79 cents. Here we are. Let me go to my daily return. Grove went up. So we're still rocking out with Grove, y'all. What a drop. Got me $14. Sono trying to come back around. I need Sono to do a complete 360, honestly. Bright green and so on. Idea need to tighten. I wish Idea was a meme stock. Lord have mercy. You know how much money? We're not even gonna talk about that. But if Idea was a meme stock, that'd be kind of cool. What else we got? Man, if Idea was a meme stock, boy. Y'all just don't know. And so we got Top Financial Group, U-Power, and I don't know how to say it, Yates. I'm just say YATSE, I ain't finna pronounce it wrong. But those two were also in the talk on Reddit about going up, and it was ironic that they both are 23%. And the reason why it was mentioned is because they're both Chinese companies. They think it was a loophole within the Chinese, I guess, paperwork or government where a Chinese business on the U.S. stock market has some type of loophole. I don't know. I don't want to get too deep into it with all these conspiracy theories because that is just something I read. But it was only mentioned because somebody in the Discord also pointed out that they only had 11 employees. Y'all only got 11 employees and y'all stock went up to $200 and something. Come on, bro. Y'all ain't even, do y'all even have a building? But that's why I said, I don't even know if this is a real person. It might be a fake company. Who knows? So that's why I say you got to be careful. But you could have technically made some money. That's all I'm saying, man. If it's available to you, use it. Now, is this stock going to continue to do that again? I don't know. The fact that it went up so fast within a day, I don't think people will double back to it because it just wouldn't be smart. You could just go to another stock and make that the next meme stock. So that's how I feel about that. But I could be wrong. It's technically still up 400 and something %. It was up a total of, they sent us up, it was up 1,000% from the time I guess it first started. And CashApp put it on here as June 1st, 2022. So they was flatlining a quite little bit. I'm gonna just be honest. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. But it got U-Power and the other one listed as, potential squeezes. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll probably put 100 in this one. I'll do it live for y'all. And this is just me messing around. I'm not trying to really get too much from it. And let's do 100 in this one. This should be about 98 shares, 97 shares maybe. Wait, what's that? Hold up. 101. It's probably not at 101. Let me see what it's at. Let's do 100. And it is at 98 shares. Okay. That sounds about right. $1.02. So it probably went up at the market, whatever. Just estimating. All right, I invested in those too. Just give it a shot. Not sure what it's gonna do, but they have been on the rise, so why not? And they are still fairly cheap. So that's that. What else we got? So with that being said, that's what my portfolio is looking at. Yes, I am still technically going to start retracting some of my stocks and restarting the whole journey. But in the meantime, I will be kind of dabbling into other stuff as well. So yeah, overall, when it comes to meme stocks, just be careful, man, because you don't truly know if it's gonna go up or down and for how long. And also, you can make money from it. Make money from it. One time for the meme stocks, man. But with that being said, man, this is your boy Corey T. Also, if you have not already, go ahead and put your submissions in for the last video. And, you know, enter the win in that drawing. I might do it the same way where spin the wheel, it reveal, you get your prize. So with that being said, man, yeah, let's get into it. So once again, man, I appreciate y'all for sliding through, man. It's your boy Corey T. Hold it down.